There's one simple animation that instantly makes a website feel alive. You might have seen this automatic typing effect in different websites. Most developers use it, but very few know how easy it actually is to create. Let's build it together with JavaScript within next 3 to 4 minutes. First, we will create our index.html file. To give a typing animation, we need CDN of a JavaScript library named Typed.js. A library is a collection of pre-written codes that can be used to simplify development. Whereas, CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. These server stores copies of JavaScript libraries or CSS frameworks. CDN is basically in the form of a link. After you copied the CDN from the path shown, you need to paste the link inside the head section of your HTML file, followed by which we will write the codes step by step. In the first line we will create an object of class typed. This typed class is already written inside the JavaScript library whose CDN we have pasted. In the typed class, while creating object, we will provide two parameters. First, the class of the span where we need animation, and second one is a function which contains the string array of words, typing speed, backspace speed, typing delay, etc. Almost done. Just a little bit of more styling left. Typed cursor is the class of the cursor which was invisible due to black background and black color. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down if you have any doubt. Like this video, subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. If you are also interested in web development, I post tutorials and tricks on web development, prompt engineering and many more. See you in the next video. Bye.